Welcome back. Breaking news coming in of Arvind Kejriwal. They're proposing the name of Atishi to take over as the new Chief Minister of Delhi to replace Arvind Kejriwal. Do remember today, Arvind Kejriwal is stepping down as the Chief Minister of Delhi. He has gone on to make that decision, saying that he has got justice in the court of law, but he is seeking that validation from the people of the national capital. He wants the people, people's court to declare that he is innocent. He has gone on to ask if Arvind Kejriwal is guilty or innocent, which is why he said till he doesn't win the hearts of the people of Delhi, he will not come back into the shoes of the Chief Minister. He is now making way for Atishi. Atishi is going to be taking over as the Chief Minister of the national capital. And to get more on this, we have Tanushka joining us from right outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Tanushka, that suspense is now over. It's going to be Atishi is going to be taking over from Arvind Kejriwal.
Right, exactly, Divya. This big news coming right from Arvind Kejriwal's residence after the legislative meeting. It has been decided that Atishi will be taking charge as the CM. She has been elected as the Chief Minister of the national capital on an interim basis period until the Delhi State Assembly elections. All the MLAs stood up and accepted the proposal that was put forth by Arvind Kejriwal. The party's chief whip, Dilip Pandey, decided that, it should be Arvind Kejriwal only who should be taking the decision on the proposal of the name as to who should be the next Chief Minister. And Arvind Kejriwal shortly after that announced that he's decided that Atishi should be going ahead with the Chief Ministerial position to take his chair on forward for the time being after he announced his resignation. So this is some really important news that is coming in at this point. And what we're also, of course, gauging is that Atishi has held important portfolios such as that of education and finance, and she was one of the top names that were anyway being speculated by us as well as sources for the chief ministerial position. So this is what is happening right now from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. After the legislative meeting, all the MLAs together have concluded upon Atishi as the major name for being the Chief Minister of the national capital. Back to you.
Right, Tanushka, this is Rishika from the Delhi studios. This Atishi was always the front runner as far as the post of Chief Minister was concerned, wasn't it? But there were other names, in fact, 6 other top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party also in close consideration, but Atishi was always, believed to be the front runner. Is that primarily because she's taken charge of the Delhi government, at least administratively, in Arvind Kejriwal's absence?
Right, exactly. Yes, it was decided that, this will be more of like this sort of a decision will lie solely upon Arvind Kejriwal, who was the Chief Minister. There were, of course, other names in the running, such as that of Aam Aadmi Party MP of Rajya Sabha, Raghav Chadha. There was also, the name of Kailash Gehlot as the Transport Minister, Sanjay Singh as well. However, Atishi, Delhi Minister, whose whole portfolio like for education and finance, was always someone who was running at the top, at the forefront for being elected as the Chief Minister to hold upon this position in the interim basis until the Delhi State Assembly elections happen. So looking forward, of course, even what we also must remember is that when Arvind Kejriwal was in jail and when Manish Sisodia, former Deputy Chief Minister, was also in jail, it was Atishi who chaired important cabinet meetings, held these important meetings within Delhi and, kept a sort of a hold of the party as well. So it does come into synchronization at this point that the party as well as the chief of the party have decided upon together that Atishi will now take charge in the chief ministerial position.
Well, Atishi's rise as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned has been a meteoric one. Tanushka, you've been covering the party and the Delhi government very closely. When the 15th August flag controversy broke out, remember it was Arvind Kejriwal who had nominated Atishi to hoist the flag on behalf of the Delhi Chief Minister. So I think if there were any telltale signs, they were right there. hiding in plain sight, perhaps for everybody to see. But that said, Atishi did hold key portfolios even before Arvind Kejriwal went to jail. But after Manish Sisodia being in jail and Arvind Kejriwal being in jail for the last 6 months, there were over 10 portfolios, if I'm not wrong, around 13 portfolios in the Aam Aadmi Party-led government in the national capital that Atishi was handling. Therefore, she was always the front runner. As far as picking this interim chief minister is concerned, what is the larger message that Arvind Kejriwal is trying to send out here?
At this point, what we're picking up is, of course, that Arvind Kejriwal was the person who would decide, who has decided upon this chief ministerial position. It was his call. It was his sudden announcement to decide upon resignation, resigning from his post, and he said that he's doing this to, gauge the people's mandate. What Arvind Kejriwal announced earlier on Sunday was that he's letting the people decide at this point who should the chief minister be. He's letting the people decide into choosing an honest or a corrupt person as their chief ministerial candidate. He said that his image was being portrayed as that of a corrupt person by the BJP is what these claims were. So therefore he left. This is a major reason why he resigned from his chief ministerial post. However, understanding that, of course, the basic question that comes up next, that who would be taking charge of the party in the meanwhile. And Atishi has, as you also rightly mentioned, has always held important portfolios, even before this whole jail fiasco happened, and especially when the chief minister was in jail. It's not just taking charge of education and finance, presenting the budget for the Delhi government, but also taking charge of water situations, of sanitation situations, the Delhi Jal Board. She's also been someone who we have prominently seen who's gone and visited these water treatment plants as well. So she has been someone who has, wrecked these places by herself. So it was, sort of speculated or anticipated that her name would finally be decided upon. And what we are understanding from Arvind Kejriwal at this point is that it was his sole decision, and he proposed Atishi's name, and all the other MLAs agreed upon his decision.
Right. I think that's the other key question here, that, was this unanimous? Was there support? Because what, Tanushka, you've been reporting is that while that legislative party took place, the party chief whip, Dilip Pandey, in fact, said that it should be Arvind Kejriwal